Welcome back to your go-to destination for in-depth motorcycle reviews, riding tips, and the latest in biking technology. If you're passionate about motorcycles and want to stay updated on the newest models and trends, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. In the ever-evolving world of motorcycles, Royal Enfield has consistently been a name synonymous with classic design and rugged performance. The Hunter 350, introduced in 2022, marked a significant shift in the brand's approach, blending retro aesthetics with modern engineering. Fast forward to 2026, and the Hunter 350 has undergone subtle yet impactful updates, refining its appeal to both new riders and seasoned enthusiasts. At the heart of the 2026 Hunter 350 lies the 349 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, air-oil-cooled J-Series engine. This power plant delivers a peak power of 20.2 brake horsepower at 6,100 RPM and a torque of 27 Nm at 4,000 RPM. Paired with a 5-speed gearbox, the engine offers a smooth and responsive ride. Royal Enfield has fine-tuned the fuel mapping for the Hunter, resulting in a more lively throttle response compared to its siblings like the Meteor and Classic 350. Bike Whale 1. Autocar India 2. The Times of India 3. The Hunter 350's performance is not just about numbers, it's about the experience. The engine's smoothness and the bike's agility make it ideal for city commuting and weekend rides. Its 0 to 60 km/h acceleration in under 5 seconds showcases its quickness, while its top speed of 130 km/h ensures it can handle highway cruising with ease. Autocar India 2. Bike Whale 1. The 2026 Hunter 350 retains its signature retro design, characterized by a sculpted fuel tank, round headlamp, and minimalist bodywork. However, subtle updates have been made to enhance its visual appeal and functionality. The bike's 790mm seat height and wide contours ensure a comfortable riding posture, making it accessible to a wide range of riders. Motorcycle specs 4. The 17-inch alloy wheels, paired with tubeless tires, not only contribute to the bike's modern look, but also improve handling and reduce the risk of sudden deflation. The dual-channel ABS system, with a 300mm front and 270mm rear disc setup, provides enhanced braking performance, ensuring safety in diverse riding conditions. Motorcycle specs 4. Total motorcycle 5. One of the standout features of the 2026 Hunter 350 is its DG analog instrument cluster. This setup combines a retro-style analog speedometer with a modern digital LCD screen, offering a blend of classic aesthetics and contemporary functionality. The cluster is compatible with the Royal Enfield Tripper navigation system, providing turn-by-turn directions directly on the display. Times Drive 6. IPH Info 7. Additionally, the Hunter 350 comes equipped with a USB charging port, allowing riders to keep their devices powered during long rides. The inclusion of LED lighting further enhances visibility and energy efficiency, contributing to the bike's modern appeal. IPH Info 7. The 2026 Hunter 350's ride quality is a testament to Royal Enfield's commitment to engineering excellence. The telescopic 41mm front forks with 130mm travel and twin-tube emulsion shock absorbers at the rear with 102mm travel ensure a balanced and comfortable ride. The 6-step adjustable preload at the rear allows riders to fine-tune the suspension to their preference, accommodating various riding conditions. Bike Whale 1. RoyalRiders.com 8. Weighing in at 177 kilograms, the Hunter 350 strikes a balance between stability and agility. Its lightweight nature makes it nimble in city traffic, while its solid build provides confidence during highway rides. Bike Whale 1. Fuel efficiency is a crucial factor for many riders, and the Hunter 350 delivers commendably in this aspect. With a fuel tank capacity of 13 liters and an average mileage of 36 kmpl, the bike offers a riding range of approximately 471 kilometers on a full tank. This makes it an excellent choice for both daily commuting and long-distance touring. Bike Whale 1. The 2026 Hunter 350 is available in 2 variants, Retro and Metro. The Retro variant embraces a more classic design, while the Metro variant offers a sportier, modern aesthetic. Both variants are priced competitively, making the Hunter 350 accessible to a broad spectrum of riders. The exact pricing may vary based on location and dealer offers. Street Bikers World 9. The 2026 Royal Enfield Hunter 350 stands as a testament to the brand's ability to blend tradition with innovation. Its refined design, enhanced performance, and modern features make it a compelling choice for riders seeking a versatile and stylish motorcycle. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on weekend adventures, the Hunter 350 promises a ride that's both enjoyable and memorable. Thank you for joining us in this detailed review of the 2026 Royal Enfield Hunter 350. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow motorcycle enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and biking content. Until next time, ride safe and keep the throttle open.